Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the SAINTDISE TV Box 2023, a compact yet powerful Android media player. The sleek design and lightweight build make it incredibly portable, perfect for enjoying your favorite content on the go. With dimensions of 4.174.170.73 inches and a weight of just 0.074 kilograms, it's a convenient companion for your entertainment needs. One standout feature is the impressive 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, providing ample space to download and enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and apps. The addition of a high-speed flash port further enhances the overall performance. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz 5.0 GHz. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a faster transmission speed and an extended working range, while the dual Wi-Fi bands contribute to a stable and lag-free streaming experience. You can effortlessly download apps, stream content, and connect external devices using the rich array of ports, including USB 2.0, LAN, TF, HDMI, SPDIF, and AV. The SAINTDISE TV box also supports wireless screen projection technology, allowing you to mirror your phone's screen with ease. Whether it's DLAN, Miracast, or AirPlay, connecting your devices for a larger-than-life experience is simple and enjoyable. In the package, you'll find the SAINTDISE Android TV box, a power adapter, HDMI cable, remote control, batteries not included, and a user manual for easy setup. The quad-core CPU and Android OS deliver improved performance and responsiveness, ensuring a smooth user experience. Overall, the SAINTDISE TV Box 2023 is a feature-packed media player that offers a seamless and enjoyable entertainment experience. Stay tuned for more as we dive into its performance and showcase its capabilities. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.